Hello student, I am Vishal Tiwari from MB International School, Nayagaon, Kota. Today we will start chapter number 5 in Geography, Domains of Earth. Our Earth contains three types of domain. One is hydro मतलब water. Then second is litho is contain land, and third is atmosphere contain air. Now we will start second. We know three types of domains of Earth. One is lithosphere, then hydrosphere, third is atmosphere. In lithosphere, we contain all the continents of our Earth. We know there are 7 continents in our Earth. In hydrosphere, we contain all ocean. There are 5 oceans in our Earth, and in atmosphere, we contain all 5 layers of Earth. Then lithosphere. You know, litho means rocks. Lithosphere is a hard, solid outer layer of the Earth. It comprises of rock and soil. The topmost layer of lithosphere is called crust. Crust is the topmost layer of lithosphere. It is made of two types of layer, that is Sial and Sima. Sial is the upper layer of crust. It is contains silica and aluminium. Sial, Si मतलब silica, Al मतलब aluminium. This is contain silica and aluminium, and the lower layer earth is called Sima. This is silica and magnesium. This is called Sima, silica and magnesium. The lithosphere comprises of landform like plains, mountain and plateau. We know the surface of earth is made of land and water. Land is 29% and while 71% is covered with water. The large land masses are called continent. You know, I already told you, while the large water body are called oceans. The continent comprises of both Sial and Sima, while the ocean beds have only Sima. They are continent of the world. You know there are 7 continents. First is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the biggest continent in our earth. देखो एशिया अपना सबसे लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट है. एशिया सबसे लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट है. ये अपने इसमें पैसिफिक ओशन से कवर्ड है. नीचे साउथ में इंडियन ओशियन है, ठीक है, और ऊपर नॉर्थ में आर्कटिक ओशन है. अपने अर्थ का टोटल लैंड. एशिया इज द लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट इन द वर्ल्ड. इट कवर्ड 3 टाइप ऑफ ओशियन. ईस्ट इन पैसिफिक ओशन, north in Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean in south. It covered 1/3 of the total our earth lands. It lies to 80 degree north to 10 degrees south in latitudes and from 28 degree east to 170 degree east in longitude. And we know Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Tropic of Cancer इस continent से pass होती है. It is surrounded by 3 oceans. Pacific Ocean in east, Arctic Ocean in north and Indian Ocean in south. Asia has a vast plains and high mountain, fertile river valley. This is Asia. Pacific Ocean in east, Indian Ocean in south and Arctic Ocean is north. This is the largest continent in our earth, and our Mount Everest, world highest peak, lie in the Asia. The highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, the highest, and the highest plateau, Tibet Plateau, and the deepest lake, Dead Sea, are situated in Asia. And Russia is the largest city which lie in the Asia. And our Indian subcontinent is a part of Asia. Many great civilizations also flourished in Asia. And second number continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. Our equator, our Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes through it. 37 degree north and 35 degree south latitudes. And when we talk about in longitude, 18 degree west to 52 degree east in longitude. It lie within the eastern and western hemisphere. ये अपना ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में लाई करता है. एंड इट इज सराउंडेड बाई इंडियन ओशियन इन साउथ. इसके साउथ में क्या है? इंडियन ओशियन, एंड साउथ में इंडियन ओशियन एंड अटलांटिक ओशियन इन द वेस्ट. वेस्ट में आपके अटलांटिक ओशियन. एंड द कालाहारी डेजर्ट लाई इन द अफ्रीका. कालाहारी डेजर्ट लाई इन द अफ्रीका. द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इन अफ्रीका इज माउंट किलिमंजारो. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa, which is located in Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro located in Tanzania. South Africa is famous for its gold and diamond and for its rich animal life. This is Africa, equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes through it, and Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It lies complete in the western and northern hemisphere. It is latitude 8 degree north to 84 degree north latitude and 20 degree west to 170 degree west longitude. It's surrounded by 3 oceans. North America are Arctic Ocean in north side and the Pacific Ocean in east side and the Atlantic Ocean in the east. This is North America. This is the Pacific Ocean in east, Atlantic Ocean in east, Pacific Ocean is west, Atlantic Ocean in east. The Isthmus of Panama join it to the South America. USA, Canada and Mexico cover the most of the country. The Panama join the South America to North America, and USA, Canada, Mexico cover the most of this continent. The isthmus is narrow strip of a land joining two land masses. It joins two land masses. The large freshwater lake in the world, Lake Superior, is situated in North America, and the Mississippi is the longest river in North America. Mississippi is the longest river in North America, और जो large freshwater lake है Superior Lake is situated in North America. Huge grassland are called prairies. Prairies is a grassland, huge grassland which is called in North America. The famous Niagara Fall which lie in North America. Our next continent is South America. It is the fourth largest continent. It lies in mainly the southern hemisphere. It extends from 12 degrees north to 55 degrees south latitudes and 35 degrees west to 81 degrees west in longitudes. This is South America. It is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the east and the Pacific Ocean in the west. This is the Pacific Ocean in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the east. The largest unbroken mountain chain in the world, Andes. Our Andes lie in South America. The river Amazon, which is the largest river in the world, flow through the dense forest here. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in this continent. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in the South America. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. It is situated near the South Pole. अब ये South Pole के नीचे situated है, इसलिए क्या होगा, ये पूरे थ्रू आउट द ईयर है ना स्नो से कवर रहेगा, इसलिए इसको व्हाइट कॉन्टिनेंट बोलेंगे. इट इज सराउंडेड बाय द पैसिफिक एंड द अटलांटिक एंड द इंडियन ओशन. ये तीन ओशन से आपके सराउंडेड है, पैसिफिक ओशन, अटलांटिक ओशन एंड इंडियन ओशन. मैनी कंट्री हैव एस्टेब्लिश्ड देयर साइंटिफिक स्टडी स्टेशन इन अंटार्कटिका. कई सारी कंट्री ने अपने साइंटिफिक स्टेशन अटलांटिका में बनाए हुए हैं. इंडिया हैज एस्टेब्लिश्ड 3 रिसर्च स्टेशन इन दिस कॉन्टिनेंट. अपना मैत्री, भारती एंड दक्षिण, ये तीन, दक्षिण गंगोत्री, ये अपने 3 स्टेशन है जो आपके अंटार्कटिका कॉन्टिनेंट पे है. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ए कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ द साइंस. इसको साइंस का कॉन्टिनेंट भी कहा जाता है. पेंगुइन्स, सील एंड वेल्स, ये आपके यहाँ एनिमल फाउंड पाई जाता है. देयर आर नो परमानेंट ह्यूमन एस्टेब्लिश इन द अंटार्कटिका. अंटार्कटिका में कोई ह्यूमन एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. वहाँ आपके ओनली साइंटिफिक रिसर्च के लिए ये वाला कॉन्टिनेंट काम आता है. Europe is the 6th largest continent. It extends about from 36 degree north to 72 degree north in latitude and 10 degree west to 60 degree east in longitude. It lies mostly in the temperate zone. यूरोप जो अपना कॉन्टिनेंट है वो अपने टेम्परेट जोन में लाई करता है. एंड इट हैज़ ए वेस्ट प्लेन एंड हाई माउंटेन. यहाँ पे वास्ट प्लेन्स है और हाई माउंटेन्स है. यूरोप में जो है ये आल्प्स जो आपके माउंटेन चेन है ये आपकी यूरोप में लाई करती है. आल्प आर द इम्पोर्टेंट चेन ऑफ माउंटेन. यूरोप इज सराउंडेड बाय द अटलांटिक ओशन इन वेस्ट एंड आर्कटिक ओशन इन नॉर्थ एंड द मेडिटेरियन सी इन द साउथ. दिस इज द यूरोप surrounded by 3 oceans and Atlantic Ocean in west, Arctic Ocean in north and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. The longest river flowing through Europe is Volga. Volga river सबसे लंबी नदी यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट की सबसे लंबी नदी है. Europe is separated from the Asia by the Ural mountain and from the Africa by the Strait of Gibraltar. यूरोप जो है वो एशिया से यूराल माउंटेन द्वारा सेपरेटेड है एंड अफ्रीका से स्ट्रेट ऑफ जिब्राल्टर द्वारा सेपरेटेड है. माउंट एल्ब्रस है वो आपकी यूरोप की हाईएस्ट पीक है. Australia, you know Australia is the smallest continent which is also a country and an island. Australia is also country and island also. It lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. Australia lies in the southern hemisphere. It extends from about 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south in latitude and 114 degrees to 154 degrees in longitude. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through the middle of the continent. This is the Australia, and the Tropic of Capricorn passes through the middle of the Australia. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean in north, our Indian Ocean in north, and the Indian Ocean in north and west and south by the Pacific Ocean in the east. The Pacific Ocean in the east. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is our southern oceans. The world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef, is located in Australia. World's largest coral reef is located in Australia. Australia is also called the Down Under because it is situated entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is called the Down Under because it is situated in southern hemisphere. Chapter will be continued in part 2. Thank you.